What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got another broken arm on my Freestyle quad, and yeah, this kind of sucks. I broke it on the first pack when I went flying the other day, and it broke in the same exact spot as last time, right where the arm gets sandwiched between these two plates. And I have the old, I kept it, don't know why I kept it, it's broken, but here it is, same exact spot. Yeah, I'm really upset about this because I just hate when the frame breaks, but I shouldn't expect too much out of this frame because this was like a knockoff Nova 235 frame and it was cheap. So I need to get a new frame, I think, because I only have 2 spare arms for this frame, which today I'll be installing one here. But after I crash again, I'm gonna have one arm, and I don't want to buy new arms for this frame. I just want to switch the frame completely, get a better frame that's more durable. So what I want from you guys is please comment down below your suggestions for a good Freestyle 5-inch frame, because I'm gonna need to buy one fairly soon, and I want to go through all your suggestions and see what you guys like. So comment down below all your suggestions, please. I'll go through those and we'll see what I pick out. But yeah, this kind of sucked. It was my first pack, crashed into a tree. So let's watch that video. I'm at the park, sun is setting, almost gone, but nobody's here, so I'm gonna just take a little cruise around. Nothing crazy, but yeah, so let's go. Might as well put it on the ground, right? Alright, so I'm back, got the drone on the bench. First thing I'm going to do is take this prop off. I didn't hit the tree that hard, but one of the blades really got bent pretty bad. I couldn't bend it back, so it's trash. I removed the screws, so I should be able to just slide this broken piece out. There we go. Now we're going to put the new arm in. Put in the screws. Make sure everything's tight. I decided to do it this way. I didn't really want to take the whole frame apart to do this arm swap. This is the quick and easy way. Take off the motor from the old arm. Gotta cut this tape off here. And now this is gonna be the hard part, taking this LED off. This double-sided sticky tape, really hard. There we go. That took a lot of force. Let's get the new motor back on the new arm. Make sure all your screws are tight. And there we go. Let's throw some tape on there. And a fresh prop, of course. I really wish those motor wires were black. I'm thinking about putting black heat shrink on them. It'll look way better. So there we go. It's ready to fly. Motor swap was pretty quick. I got this new Foxier Lollipop 4 antenna. I was flying with it and I liked it. There was no video difference from the TBS Triumph antenna, and I like the stubby version. If you guys like these videos and want to support, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more videos about this drone, I'll have these videos come up right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.